Hey traders, Mike Sir here. Welcome back to my channel. At the beginning of this year, I decided to focus more of my attention towards the crypto market. And why wouldn't I, since the cryptocurrency market has generated some amazing returns for me in the past 5 years. Now, it's an extremely volatile market where prices can rise or fall more than 50% at the blink of an eye. But if you're patient and have the right strategy, you can do very, very well. So in this video, I'm going to analyze the charts of the top 5 cryptocurrency coins based on market cap, and given the recent pullback in prices, we'll determine which coins are a buy today. Now keep in mind, this is not financial advice, and please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. The app that I usually use to track my crypto portfolio is called CoinMarketCap. It's the most popular crypto data aggregator where you can pretty much find any coin listed there. The top 5 coins currently, according to market cap, are Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, which is the Binance Coin, Cardano, and Selena. Now, I'm not going to include Tether or the USD coin because the prices of those coins are linked to the US dollar. So let's go through the charts of each coin, and let's start off with Bitcoin. The biggest coin by market cap of $694 billion is Bitcoin, and is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and it's often referred to as the gold of the crypto market. So let's take a look at the current Bitcoin chart. So I'm just going to show you guys a chart of Bitcoin from 2021 to today's date, and I draw some support resistance lines here. You can see that there is a support level right here. It Bitcoin price bounced off the 30,000 level last year from May to July, and you can see it goes sideways, and essentially this was a resistance level. It broke out, went back to test it, and then right here it made basically all-time highs here around over 68,000 of last year in November, and ever since then you can see Bitcoin's price been on a huge downward trend. Now, I was expecting that Bitcoin price will probably hit this 30,000 level. In fact, currently you can see here that it actually bounced off of these oversold levels, and it's actually going back up. But you can see here, this is a downward trend line. So if you were to ask me in a very short term, Bitcoin's price is actually still on a downward trend. Only until it can probably break above this resistance lines of over 40,000 does it have a chance to reach all-time highs again. The second biggest coin by market cap of $289 billion is Ethereum, or commonly referred to as Ether. Now, if Bitcoin is gold, then Ethereum is the silver of the crypto market. Now let's take a look at the Ether chart. Ethereum's chart is very similar to Bitcoin, and you can see here there was a support level right here in May and to July of last year around 1787, and again was going sideways here, hit this resistance level around 2800, went up, went back to test it, and then made all-time highs here. Same thing like Bitcoin, Ethereum reached the all-time high of $4,831 versus the US dollar, and then again ever since then it has been on a downward trend. Now, I was also expecting Ethereum to hit this support level again. In fact, it didn't. It's kind of stabilized here, and you can see this downward trend line. So my suspicions is there is a strong resistance level around 2800 right here. It has to really break through and then break through this downward trend line in order for it to have a chance to break or to reach all-time highs again. The third biggest coin by market cap of 62 billion is BNB, and referred to as the Binance Coin. It's a cryptocurrency that is used primarily to pay transaction and trading fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. So let's take a look at the BNB chart. The Binance Coin was one of the best performing coins in 2021. You can see here essentially started off the year around $40, went as high as $680. Now, drew some support and resistance lines, drew some trend lines here. You can see there's a support level here. After this big rise, it went back here and tested this level, so a very strong level 250. Essentially after that went sideways, broke out, went back to test this here, and then made all-time highs again, or essentially here's a double top. And again, ever since the top of the cryptocurrency market in November, the coin has been declining in price. Now, since then, it's trying to hold some support level around 328. You can see right here. but you can see here it's still in a downward trend. So it's probably going to face some resistance right here at this upper trend line, or sorry, downward trend line. And until it breaks through here, then it has a chance to go and reach all-time highs again. The fourth biggest coin by market cap of 34 billion is Cardano. Now it's referred to as the third generation blockchain alternative to Ethereum. Let's take a look at the Cardano chart. Cardano was a coin that also did very, very well in 2021. It started off the year essentially at 20 cents and made all-time highs at over $3. So again, I drew some support levels here, and you can see here there is very, very strong level of support right here at $1, and we're actually right at the dollar mark here. It peaked in, again, this coin peaked actually in early September, and ever since then you can see here it's making highs, lower highs, lower highs, so it's been actually going down. So right now it's a very, very key strong support level. If you like the coin, there's a very strong support level. If it breaks it, then you get out. But even if you were to get in here, you're going to face a resistance level right here at this downward trend line. Lastly, the fifth biggest coin by market cap of 29 billion is Selena. It's the newest Ethereum alternative and can process more transactions per second with much lower transaction fees. So let's take a look at the Selena chart. Of the 5 coins that I profiled, Selena was the best performing coin in 2021. So Selena started the year essentially around 85 cents and went as high as $280. So you can see a very, very rapid rise at the beginning of the year all the way to August, broke out right here, then went even higher here, pulled back, and then basically made all-time highs here. And again, same thing like the entire cryptocurrency market. It reached a peak at the beginning of November, and ever since then, it's basically been declining. Now, due to this recent sell-off, it actually hit a resistance level around $80, but you'll see some resistance level right here, this downward trend line. It's probably going to target $140. If you feel comfortable that this is $80 is a support level, then you can shoot for 140. If it breaks above this downward trend line, then it can probably make all-time highs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want me to talk more about the cryptocurrency markets, please let me know in the comments below. Now you can check out my other crypto videos on the left and also on the right. I'll see you guys in the next video.